In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up tasks. If you run a single location, use the Tasks menu to create new tasks. If you are in charge for a company with multiple locations, select the task templates at company level. The simplest form of a task needs nothing more than a title, ideally consisting of a maximum of 4 words, so that you know at a glance what needs to be done. To create a new task, click on the plus symbol in the bottom right-hand corner. If you are using task templates, you will see a lock icon next to the task title. We recommend keeping the lock closed. This will ensure that the title is consistent across all locations while allowing for maximum customization. During the checklist template setup, locations can duplicate and customize task templates by simply adding appropriate wording after the locked part of the title. There are several ways to provide further details. In the description field, you can add helpful information, like instructions for the correct execution of an assignment. It's recommended to use short, concise wordings. If you want to pass on additional information, use the attachment function. Here you can attach PDFs, photos, or video instructions to provide additional information for the use. If you expect more details than a simple click or swipe over the title when performing a task, the confirmation types function comes into play. Confirmation types require employees to document additional information on a mandatory basis. The full functionality of confirmation types is explained in a separate tutorial. You can also request a signature as proof of completion. However, we recommend that you use this option very selectively. For a more efficient workflow, the bulk signature feature within checklists is the better option. Let's now move on to another task example to explain the benefits of the Advanced Settings section. The checkboxes enable you to specify how a task should behave if it has not been completed within the specified time frame. There are 2 options. By deactivating the first checkbox, you can switch off the automatic notifications for a task. The second checkbox allows you to specify that uncompleted tasks are not displayed in the Issue section, in Reports, and in the calendar. Both settings are particularly useful if task documentation is not required every time a checklist automatically pops up, or if certain tasks are purely informative in nature, as is often the case with checklists for specific events. However, as soon as these tasks have been processed, they appear with their current status in the calendar, in Reports, and, of course, directly in the Issue section in the event of irregularities. In order to inform employees whether a particular task is a mandatory or a purely informational task, it is advisable to mark it accordingly in the description field. Depending on your license package, you can take advantage of the fantastic labeling feature. We strongly recommend assigning appropriate labels to each task. Labels offer a variety of useful filtering and analysis options, for example in the Issue section, when creating tasks or in various reports. One last thing with tasks. Did you know that you can easily copy them? This works both for task templates and for tasks at location level. Simply click on the duplicate icon next to the title and all the information you entered previously will be copied. Now you only need to adjust the name of the task without having to re-enter all the other information.